On the eve of 3 years completion of double-engine BJP-IPFT government in Tripura, a grand celebration was organized at the Swami Vivekananda Stadium, Agartala, in the virtual presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Eminent ministers of the cabinet, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, BJP MLAs and leaders and workers remained present in the day's program. Congratulating the BJP-IPFT government for its 3 years completion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, virtually inaugurated the Maitri Setu over the Feni River at Shabrum. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also laid the foundation stone of multiple infrastructure projects in Tripura worth Rs 3,518 crore. Addressing the people through a video conferencing on the occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded on the development done by the BJP government in Tripura. He claimed that the 3 years BJP government under Biplab Kumar Deb is far way better than that of the left-front government's 30 years. He said Tripura has lifted from a destructive regime to a positive regime. Prime Minister added that other states in the neighbor must know where there is no double engine yet, how the double engine has developed the state Tripura.
त्रिपुरा सहित नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अनेक राज्यों की सप्लाई बरसात या फिर दूसरी समस्याओं के कारण रास्ते बंद होने से प्रभावित नहीं होगी। दक्षिण त्रिपुरा के इसी महत्व को देखते हुए अब सबरूम में ही इंटीग्रेटेड चेक पोस्ट का निर्माण भी आज से शुरू हो गया है। ये आईसीपी एक फुल फ्लेज लॉजिस्टिक हब की तरह काम करेगा, जहां पार्किंग लॉट्स बनेंगे, वेयरहाउसिंग बनेंगे, कंटेनर ट्रांसशिपमेंट फैसिलिटी तैयार की जाएगी। साथियों, फेनी ब्रिज के खुल जाने से अगरतला इंटरनेशनल सी पोर्ट से भारत का सबसे नजदीक का शहर बन जाएगा। NH8 और NH208 के चौड़ीकरण से जुड़े जिन प्रोजेक्ट्स का आज लोकार्पण और शिलान्यास किया गया है, उनसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के पोर्ट से कनेक्टिविटी और सशक्त होगी। इससे अगरतला पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लॉजिस्टिक का भी अहम सेंटर बनकर उभरेगा। इस रूट से ट्रांसपोर्ट को इसकी कॉस्ट भी बहुत कम हो जाएगी और पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट को आसानी से सामान मिलेगा। त्रिपुरा के किसानों को अपने फल, सब्जी, दूध, मछली और दूसरे सामान के लिए देश विदेश के नए बाजार मिलने वाले हैं। यहां जो पहले से उद्योग लगे हैं, उनको लाभ होगा और नए उद्योगों को बल मिलेगा। यहां बनने वाला औद्योगिक सामान विदेशी बाजारों में भी बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव होगा। बीते वर्षों में यहां के बांबू प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए, अगरबत्ती उद्योग के लिए, पाइनएप्पल से जुड़े व्यापार के लिए जो प्रोत्साहन दिया गया है, उसको इन नई सुविधाओं से और बल मिलेगा। भाई और बहनों, अगरतला जैसे शहरों में आत्मनिर्भर भारत के नए सेंटर्स बनने का सामर्थ्य है।
Indirectly mentioning the West Bengal voters, Prime Minister Modi said that Tripura can be the role model for any big state in India in developmental factors. On the other, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who delivered her speech in a recorded video, has fully credited former Chief Minister of Tripura Manik Sarkar behind the project. She said that she is happy that the bridge has been inaugurated at a time when Bangladesh is celebrating Golden Jubilee of its independence. She further said that in 2010, the then Chief Minister of Tripura, that is Manik Sarkar, placed a proposal to build the bridge over Feni River, which will prove fruitful to the business community using the Chattogram seaport.
Mr. Sri Narendra Modi, the event is taking place at a time when we are celebrating the birth centenary of father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the golden jubilee of Bangladesh's independence, and the 50th year of Bangladesh-India diplomatic relations. The opening of Feni Bridge is a testimony to the Bangladesh government's continued commitment to support our neighbor India in strengthening connectivity in the region, particularly for the northeast of India. In 2010, the then Chief Minister of Tripura placed a proposal before me to build a bridge over the river Feni. He pointed out that the bridge is very important to the business community of India's northeast region for using the Chattogram seaport. We considered the request positively. Since then, the government of Bangladesh has extended all necessary support to the Indian side for construction of the bridge.
Notably, from IT building to various health centers, it has become the trend of Biplab-led BJP government to dig on the previous government in each inauguration program. But in reality, those projects starting from the national highways, India-Bangladesh Railway, Feni Reverse Maitri Bridge, Agartala Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport, all are projects started by the left-front government in the state. Other than ribbon cutting, the new double-engine government has done nothing of its own. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.